I say about riding a cruise. When I reached Guwahati from Manipur, everything was changed. The Paltan Bazaar was far from the airport there. The area around the airport was very green. After about an hour from there, sitting in the bus of the Assam government reached Paltan Bazaar. The fare of the bus was only 90 rupees and the distance was reasonable. Otherwise, we had to pay many times more money. We liked the administration of the government very much. The greenery disappeared as soon as it reached the population. Jam began to appear everywhere. After arriving here, Assamese faces become difficult to identify. The blonde color of the crowd also disappeared there. We were only able to identify Assami people by language. All kind of people were visible here, while non-Manipuris are rarely seen in Manipur. I was very keen to see the Brahmaputra river. I had never seen the river when I came to know that the river is flowing on our left side. Then I was thrilled. I had not imagined the large size of the river along the road. Railings were placed between this river and the road. There were parks walking and playing on its banks. There was good sitting on the banks of the river. Along with that, there were many places to eat and drink. According to your status, you could enjoy life. There was a free system to visit the river in many places, and in some places had to pay money to see the river. The river is very big. The ferry runs to cross the river, for which the minimum fare is 5 rupees, which I did not seem much. Our hotel was also on the bank of the river, from where I loved to see this river. I have rode the ferry many times. I did not like it. I had never rode a cruise before. I intended to fulfill my hobby. The cost of an hour journey in the cruise was 350 rupees. We can guess where 5 rupees and 350 rupees. We choose the time of the sun setting at dusk. There was a chair and table inside the cruise. We chose a small table according to our convenience, as we were only two people. There was also a large table according to the family. You could have both small and big parties in it. The entire restaurant and bar was open there, but according to the food and drink sitting in it. The bill was more kept. Seeing her bill, I postponed my intention to eat and drink. By the way, we ate the street food there before boarding the cruise. Because we were told it was 5 o'clock. We thought the cruise would go at 5 o'clock. So we reached only at 4:30. But the ticket teller said that the cruise would leave at 5:30. Now we had to spend about an hour. So what else could be the way for us to pass a good time for street food? It was also very important for us to get a taste of bhel puri, samosa and golgappe. Their spices were different from our taste. While enjoying them, We did not know when our stomachs were full. Answer: in the east. It was dark. It was thrilling to see the rising sun on the river. I could not understand the outside view or the inside. The DJ and singing program started as soon as we boarded our cruise. Outside a very large and spreading river, inside the atmosphere of singing and dancing and playing in slow light was giving a pleasant feeling. Many couples got excited and danced in such an environment. The children kept dancing from beginning to end. Looking at the children, I could never worry about obesity if I could dance like them too. Seeing all this, when the darkness came down, when I started enjoying the moonlight night, I did not know that the image of the sky. I kept trying to save every moment. I don't know but I will get a chance to come again to this wonderful paradise.